Ceramic coating a car is easy. Today we'll be using this chemical guys kit to ceramic coat this Honda Accord. I'll be taking care of the outside, and BMO, you got the inside, right?
Yep, I got it.
Let's get right into it. So we're gonna start off by washing the car today using the 2-bucket method, our chenille wash mitt, some dirt traps, and of course the star of the show today is going to be HydroSuds. Now HydroSuds is a ceramic infused car washing soap that's going to enhance ceramic properties. So if you park your car outside, you have no type of protection whatsoever, you don't have a garage whatsoever, think about it, your car takes wear and tear over time, critical failure starts happening, so you can prevent all that using our HydroSuds. I will also be pairing it with our Foam Blast 6 Pro. Now this Foam Blast 6 Pro is going to allow you to foam up your car with the use of using a garden hose. The garden hose attaches, the handle attaches to a garden hose, you pull back on the sleeve, you attach this. So what I'm gonna do before I start rinsing the surface of the car down, I'm going to remove the top of this Foam Blast 6 Pro. So like this, I can have everything set up and I'm not running around like a chicken without a head whenever I'm detailing the car. So before anything, just shake up my soap, and then I will open up the spout. Now I add 1, 2 ounces of soap into my Foam Blast 6 Pro. Put the lid back on, twist it back on, stir it so everything can mix up, and then I'll be grabbing my dirt traps. Now our dirt traps, if you're not familiar, this is going to filter while you wash. So like this, you have a super dirty car, muddy car, or even a maintenance wash, this is going to prevent so much scratches and swirls, because did you know, fun fact, 90% of scratches and swirls actually happen when you're washing a car. So it's going to prevent scratches and swirls. All you need to do, insert them at an angle. To my left, your right, this is going to my rinse bucket. This bucket over here is going to be my wash bucket. So that means I just need to add about ½ an ounce of soap, put that there, and then I'll grab my chenille wash mitt. Now this chenille wash mitt is super soft, super absorbent. You could use it to dust off your interior as well, but in this case, we're gonna be washing the car. Sink that in there. Now, let's go to rinse the surface of the car down, and then I'll show you guys what's the step after that. So I just finished rinsing the car down, and I'm noticing that the car actually has some type of protection on it, because of course, it is a newer car, and you guys already know, this kit is going to allow you to ceramic coat your whole entire car as well as maintain your ceramic coating. So now all I'm gonna do is just pull back on my sleeve, attach my Foam Blast 6 Pro. As you guys can see, it does not fall, it just swivels around. It also has a dial up top that's going to allow me to adjust how much suds I want on the surface of the car. Up front, you could adjust the vertical or horizontal foam, however you like it. Whether you have a big car, a small car, an SUV, an RV, a boat, this Foam Blast 6 Pro works amazing. Then I'll go to the surface of the car, and then I'll foam it up. And look at this. Just by using a garden hose, I'm getting more than enough suds to wash and shine the surface of a car. Whether it's small, whether it's big, it's going to provide tons of suds. So like this, whenever I scrub the surface of the car down, I do not have a bare spot or a dry spot. Now, here's a pro tip for you guys. If you guys are washing a car in direct sunlight, pull back on the sleeve, activate the suds, and then you take the wash a section at a time. And this goes for anything. If you are washing in direct sunlight, what ends up happening is soap will evaporate on the surface of the car, but that's perfectly fine, because our soap, if it evaporates or just dries up a little bit, just get a little bit of water and start off just by rinsing it down, and then everything will be good to go once again. So what I'm just doing right now, I am scrubbing it side to side. After a couple passes, there's 2 things you could do. You could go back to the rinse bucket and rinse it off, or flip your wash mitt to the other side, and then you just start doing the other side in linear motions. So like this, we prevent any scratches and swirls. We're enhancing shine and protection to this car. So like this, on our next step is going to be enhancing the paint even more and adding more ceramic, so which is going to be using our HydroSuds. But after you scrub the surface of the car down, come to your rinse bucket, sink it at the bottom, rinse it out, and continue with your wash. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and foam up this side, scrub it down, foam up the other side, scrub it down, foam up the other side, scrub it down, and then after that, I'll rinse it and I'll show you guys the next step. So you might be asking, why is it important to ceramic coat your car? Ceramic coating your car, whenever you hear ceramic, you always think about professional. Ceramic coating your car is super, super easy, because it's going to protect your investment. Think about it like this. Your car is an investment to yourself. It's going to be one of the biggest investments you ever do in your life, but by purchasing a brand new car, if it's fresh off the lot. So what you want to do, you want to protect it from the UV rays, from bird droppings, from overspray, from fallout, especially if you do not have a garage car. If you park outside, the sun is beating up on your car, causing clear coat failure. So this is why we always recommend ceramic coating your car, so you can make sure you prevent all that and your investment stays cleaner and protect it for much longer. And whenever you go to resell it, you get the most for its value. All right, so I just finished washing the whole entire car. Now all I'm gonna do is just rinse it down, dry it up, and we're gonna move on to the next product in this kit to enhance protection using ceramic on this car. Come on, let's go. All right, guys, so right now, what I'm just doing, I'm just using the Megalodon drying towel to dry up the whole entire car. Now, whenever you do have ceramic coatings on the surface of your car, you have any type of protection, drying your car is super easy. You just throw it on, you pull it off, and it's dry. That's how simple and easy it is to dry a car using that's how simple it is to dry a car whenever you have ceramic coating, because the water does not tend to stick. So if you're that person that struggles to dry a car, it's your paint. All right, guys, so we just finished washing the whole entire car. Next up, we're gonna be protecting it using HydroSuds. All you want to do is shake up the bottle, make sure the surface of the car is cool to the touch. Now, I am outside because I want to let you guys know you could actually use this product outside as long as the surface is cool to the touch and is not super, super hot. So just shake up the product, grab your microfiber applicators. You're gonna be applying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, as you guys can see, it almost looks like jelly. It has SL2 formulated, so almost like a little gel to it, but it's perfectly fine. Just rub it onto the surface of the paint. You want a very, very thin layer of HydroSuds because everything that comes off is going to be excess. So what I would recommend you do whenever you're applying any type of protection to the surface of the car, whether it's ceramic, whether it's a glaze, whether it's a sealant, take it a section at a time. Apply it on, cross-hatch it. After you cross-hatch it, let it sit for 30 seconds and remove it right away. Now, as you guys can see, I am applying HydroSuds by hand, and I can only apply it by hand because it is a ceramic coating, and if you do use like a high-speed DA or rotary, it's going to be super hard to work with, so just apply it by hand. After 30 seconds, I'll grab a clean microfiber towel and buff off the residue. Now, what HydroSuds is going to do is going to act as a sacrificial layer. So if water, contamination, if bird droppings lands on the surface of the car, the bird dropping is acidic and the bird dropping is not going to penetrate deeper into the clear coat and cause clear coat failure. So after this, we always recommend keeping the car out of like getting water on it or any type of liquids for about 24 hours. Within 24 hours, you're actually going to see acceleration of ceramic coating properties. What are ceramic coating properties? Water sliding right off, nothing sticking onto the surface, not even the morning dew. So let me just finish doing this whole entire hood. Once I'm done, I'm gonna show you guys the amazing shine HydroSuds left behind. All right, and that is it for today. We're actually gonna let the owner take the car right now over the weekend, and next time you guys see the next part of this vehicle, which is going to be about like less than a second, you're actually gonna be seeing BMO touch up the rest of this car, the interior, the glass, and so much more. So as always, I'm Henry, and we'll see you guys next time. Beep, beep.
Okay guys, you saw Henry take care of the wash. Now I'm gonna show you the rest of the products, but the owner took it over the weekend, so it obviously came back with some dirt and grime. I'm gonna show you how to take care of that to maintain your ceramic properties before I take care of the interior. Let's get into it. As you can see, the roof has a light layer of dust. Looks like there's some cats in the area. Looks like there's some paw prints up here. But since Henry did add Hydro Slick, it's gonna come right off using Hydro Speed. Look at all that. Guys, it's as simple as spray on and wipe off. It's a quick detailer, but it has ceramic properties. This is a great way to maintain your ceramic properties all year. So I'm gonna wipe down the whole car real quick, but I'll be right back. Now that we took care of the paint, let's take care of the glass. HydroView to maintain the ceramic properties on the glass that we applied on the wash. So HydroView is just like Speed Wipe. We're gonna spray and wipe, but this time we're gonna use our waffle weave towel. I like to spray on the towel. So now I'm just gonna pick this up, give it a pass. That's simple, guys. And then I'm gonna go to my dry side, buff up any residue. Now that the exterior is protected, let's protect our interior. If you didn't know, you can ceramic protect your interior because it takes a beating just as much as your exterior. We sit on these seats all day, the sun beams in our interior, could ruin our plastics, so let's add some protection. So I can use my Hydro interior on surfaces like my steering wheel, dashboard, and door panels. All I gotta do is spray directly on the microfiber towel and then just wipe. So this is an interior cleaner, but it also is adding ceramic properties on my plastics as well. And this is why it's always nice to have some microfiber towels in your vehicle, because if you have products like this, a quick detailer for your interior makes a big difference. If you have someone coming over unexpectedly, wipe down your ride, and you're also maintaining your ceramic properties. There you go, dust be gone with just a few passes like that. That's simple. And I mean, this area is getting hit by the sun all day, whether you're driving there or not, unless you have a garage. But I mean, the sun will eventually make the plastics fade. You know, unfortunately, sometimes it even makes it crack. So with some Hydro interior, that'll give it some more life. Now this part of the car is very important. You know, you want to make sure you're wiping down your door panels, because think about it, the sun's beaming on it all day. The interior gets really hot, could cause some fading of your plastics. And I mean, we're constantly leaning our shoulders, our elbows, and our hands on this area. So we're building up some body oils. Now we're down to the last product, Hydro Thread. So Hydro Thread is used for the fabrics of your interior. All you gotta do is basically open this up. Make sure it's on the spray form, because you're gonna lightly mist directly on top of the fabric. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to create one layer. That's about it right there, maybe one more. So we're gonna let that sit for about 10 seconds. We wanted to create a layer on top of the fabric so that nothing could eventually sink into it. So after these few 10 seconds that pass by, I'm gonna come around with the microfiber towel, and I'm basically trying to work it lightly into my fabrics. Just like that. And if you get any excess on any other areas, don't panic, just wipe it off. Shouldn't damage any of your surfaces. And something that I like to do is just maybe add another layer. So I'm gonna mist just a bit more. One more mist, there we go. Let it sit again for another 10 seconds. Come around, wipe it down again, and then do it for the rest of the seats. Ooh. Mist. And we're gonna just work that in on the surface. And that's how easy it is to ceramic protect your car. If you like any of these products in this video, make sure to check them out at our website, pick them up there, and that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed.